Ready to unlock your creative potential in minutes? Stick around. This Luma-Loft Quick Start Tour will show you everything you need to know, from setting up your account to mastering powerful tools and features. Let's dive in. Let's jumpstart your experience with Luma-Loft. Type luma-loft.com right into your browser's address bar and get instant access to the website. Once you arrive, click Accept All to agree to the site's policies. Then, select Get Started to jump directly into discovering Luma-Loft's impressive features. From here, hit Sign Up to create your brand new account. Already registered? Just click Sign In and access your personalized dashboard and tools. Logging in is simple. Enter your email and password in the login fields to unlock the complete Luma-Loft toolset. After you sign in, you'll land on your dashboard, where you can instantly check your stats and track your progress. Explore further by heading to the navigation top menu. Expand the Tools drop-down or tap View All to browse our full suite of tools, each with a clear description to guide you. Head back to the navigation menu and explore the gallery for resources. Preview content, download files, or share creations instantly for seamless collaboration opportunities. Need help? Tap Tutorials for easy, step-by-step walkthroughs, or check out the Docs for comprehensive guides and expert tips. Make sure you visit the History tab, where all your previous work is saved, review or manage projects anytime. Want to save or show off your results? Download your outputs or share them in the gallery to highlight your achievements and even rack up reward points. Now, for hands-on action, let's get right into the tools. Open the Tools drop-down and choose any tool to start creating right away. If you run into challenges, click on the Watch Tutorial button to instantly watch a helpful video within the app and get back on track. Don't miss the Tips Tricks section. Explore more advanced tips and best practices, plus, check the documentation for each tool to sharpen your skills. Managing your account is hassle-free. Click your profile icon, then tap Settings to update your preferences whenever you want. Here, you can review your plan and credits, tweak extra settings, or explore new subscription options to fit your creative needs. Enjoyed this walkthrough and ready to elevate your projects with Luma-Loft? Hit like, subscribe, and ring the bell so you never miss our latest tutorials and pro tips. See you in the next video.